Download Storyboard app from Play Store. Learn and prepare for various entrance exams but with stories. Link for the app is in the description. Hello everyone, welcome to the history of CAT. So today we solve a problem on time and work which appeared in CAT 2019. So let us see what is the problem saying here. 3 men and 8 machines can finish a job in half the time taken by 3 machines and 8 men to finish the same job. So first of all, what am I comparing here? I am comparing 3 men and 8 machines. Okay, so it is 3 men and 8 machines, and then I am comparing here 3 machines and 8 men. Okay, so that's what I am comparing, and the time taken here is half the time. So 3 men and 8 machines. Let's just write it here then. 3 men and 8 machines. Let's call the machine to be as robots, okay, because that's what the convention will use here for our better understanding. So 3 plus 8, this the amount of work done by them together by 3 men and 8 robots is being compared to what? 3 machines and 8 men. Okay, 3 machines and 8 men. So I'll write it here as 3 machines, which means what? 3 robots. 3 robots, okay, plus 8 men. So I'll write it here as 8 men. Okay, this is being compared with this. That's what is being given to me in the problem. Now the time taken by them to do the same work, they are doing the same work and they are also doing the same work. 3 machines and 8 robots, and 3 robots and 8 machines, they are doing the same work. So the work done by them and them is same. Say it's about making this wall, they both are making the same wall, but the time taken by them, the combination of this, okay, 8 robots and 3 machine, is half the time taken by them, the combination of 3 robots and 8 machine, which means what? They are twice as efficient as them. They are twice as efficient. These guys are twice as efficient, so 2 times efficient, right? These guys are twice as efficient because they take half the time. So if they do it in 1 hour, they'll do it in half an hour, right? That's what is being said. So whatever is the work done by them, say they are putting up 4 bricks, they will put what? They will do twice of that work. So twice of that work. So whatever is the work done by them, say they are putting up 4 bricks in 1 day, they will be putting 8 bricks in 1 day. Okay, that's why because they are twice as efficient, so they will be taking half the time that is being taken by them. So if they take 1 hour, they will be taking half an hour, correct? So if they put in 4 bricks, they will be putting 8 bricks. That's why if they are putting up more bricks, they will be taking lesser number of time, right? That's what is the comparison that I have it here. Now you start solving this. So now you compare the efficiency. 3 men plus 8 robot is equals to what? Is equals to, just multiply this. 3 into 2 will be 6. This is equals to 6 robots plus 8 into 2 is what? 16 men. Now compare men with men. 16 goes there. This becomes what? 13 men is equals to 8 minus 6 is what? Is equals to 2 robots. So 13 men is equals to 2 robots. What do you understand from this? This is an important result here. The amount of work done by 2 robots, that is equal to 2 machine, is equal to the amount of work done by 13 men. Okay, so that is the efficiency that we compare here. Now as I get this, I move on to the rest of the question. If 2 machines can finish a job in 13 days, it means if 2 robots can do this job of making the same wall in 13 days, then how many men will be required to finish the job in 13 days? Now you have to compare it here. If 2 robots could do it in 13 days, so does your 13 men can do it in 13 days, right? If 2 robots can do it in 13 days, so does your 13 men could do it in 13 days, because the amount of work done by 2 robots is equal to the amount of work that is being done by 13 men. So if you can just replace this 2 robots by 13 men, they will do they will do the work in the same number of days that is being done by 2 robots. Okay, so 13 is your answer. That's what he's asking here. 13 is your answer. Then how many men can finish this job in 13 days? So in 13 days 13 men can finish this job. Okay, because 2 robots can finish the job in 13 days, and 2 robots is equivalent to 13 men. So even 13 days 13 men will be required. Okay, so that was the problem all about. So this was about the basics of time and work. Okay, you need to have clarity over your efficiency, the work, comparison of work, so you could have reached to the solution to this problem.